If your kidney is in danger, the body will give you these 7 signs. The function of the kidneys is extremely important for our health, as they filter 120 to 150 quarts of blood daily. Therefore, these organs, located below the ribs, maintain the blood stable, prevent the accumulation of waste and fluids in the body, stabilize the electrolyte levels, produce red blood cells, regulate blood pressure, and strengthen the bones. Yet they often suffer from damage, which causes huge complications. Therefore, it is extremely important that you know the signs of kidney damage, in order to prevent further health issues and treat the problem on time. These are the most common symptoms of improper function of the kidneys. Swelling. Damaged kidneys often lead to swellings in the body, especially in the leg, ankle, hand, face, and feet areas. The body cannot remove the accumulated waste and fluids, and they cause swellings. Fatigue. When healthy, kidneys produce the hormone erythropoietin, which forms red blood cells. These cells are needed for the proper supply of oxygen throughout the body. In case the number of red blood cells is lowered, the person often experiences muscle damage, severe anemia, fatigue, and brain damage. These are some additional early signs of kidney damage. 1. Urination changes, a reduced amount of urine. 2. Pale urine color, frequent, and in large amounts. 3. Foamy urine. 3. Dark urine, less frequent urinating, and with small amounts. 4. Pressure during urinating. 5. Troubles urinating. 6. A great urge to urinate during the night. 7. Skin rashes.